Oh my gosh.
I just saw the hottest girl ever.
Oh, really? What'd she look like?
Tone tan, fit and ready.
Damn! What was she wearing?
Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur.
Yeah, she was so hot.
Where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back.
Jeremy, we're just not right for each other.
I'd catch a grenade for you.
I don't want you to catch a grenade for me. I
Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world.
And you can't do that, can you, Jeremy?
Baby, please don't go. Ooh, that girl, ooh, that girl.
That's my friend Jordan from my psychology class.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Hey Steve, can I talk to you?
Okay. Look, Jordan, I don't know why you brought me into the men's stall. I feel like you're gonna shit on me.
If I said I want your body now, would you hold it against me?
So put it on me. Let's remove the space between me and you. I got a feeling.
Something crazy just happened in that bathroom.
I just had sex.
Man, I thought I was never gonna get laid.
Never say never.
I gotta get to class. I'm running late.
Alright, cool.
Man, you are always wearing this black hat. But this yellow shirt is new.
These are my favorite colors.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Man, don't listen to this dude. His
You're amazing, just the way you are.
Thanks, man.
Take advice from Freddy Krueger.
Students, you have a test next week. Does anyone have any last minute questions before I dismiss you?
Yeah, I got a question.
Yes, Josh?
The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out.
Does anyone have any serious questions?
Yeah.
How do you do that shit? How do you?
I just don't get it.
You should just hold the test back another week. I mean, this is applied algebra. We stupid.
How about this? I'll push back the test a couple weeks if Dan teaches me something.
What am I gonna teach you? All I know how to do is dance.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Yeah, I can teach you how to Dougie. And then, when you go to the club, you can be like,
The club ain't even handle me right now.
Alright, I'm looking forward to it. Will someone wake Steve up?
You!
Wake Steve up.
Oh my god! I was being chased by Freddy Krueger. I thought I was gonna die.
Don't worry, dude.
I just wanted to tell everybody that I love you guys being here. It's the best. And that's why I wanted to say, everybody! Everybody!
This party's pretty crazy, huh? That's a nice phone.
Yeah. It's a I just got it.
Nice.
Got my drunk text on. I'll regret it in the morning.
Can I spend the night tonight? There's no guys here. Fine.
I'm coming home.
Oh, you gotta go home? Yeah. Just kidding!
Sterling! Whoa, I didn't know you were gonna be here, bro.
Yeah, man.
I came to dance, 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 dance.
I wish Josie was here. It's not a party if Josie's not here. I don't think she's gonna show.
Dude,
Don't stop believing.
She'll come. No, she won't.
Josie's on a vacation far away.
Man, this party is stupid.
Drink it up, drink it up.
Don't worry, Steve. I got this.
All right, man.
You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow.
Yeah!
Damn! Man,
Gotta get that.
Seems like it's been forever that you've been gone.
yeah, for real. Where you been? You ain't responding to my calls or my texts.
Lately I've been hard to reach.
Don't touch the stove. It's hot and dangerous.
I'm hungry like the wolf.
I need a doctor.
Man, she passed out.
Hell yeah, she ain't coming back.
Oh, that's what happens.
Hell yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh. Look at this guy.
I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain.
I remember.
My first kiss went a little like this.
Wait, you kissed me? Why did you?
Kiss me. I got the magic in me.
Well, how about you give me something I can remember? And kiss me.
Get it, Steve.
TJ, dare you take your pants off?
All right.
Whoa! Whoa!
Bottoms up, bottoms up.
We don't want to see your wiener. I can't believe you took your pants off, TJ.
Man, what do you expect? I was.
Under pressure.
Alright, now I dare you two to kiss.
Fine.
I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Hey, Freddy, I gotta go to the bathroom. I think I just.
Jizz in my pants.
Damn it, TJ, pull yourself together.
Tonight, I'm gonna make you feel.
One that's lonely girl.
So, how about we go in that room and you
Let me blow your mind.
Hey Teach, where'd you learn how to dance like that?
I taught him how to dance like that.
Do you think you could teach me how to dance like that?
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Ah, Steve, that was great.
If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories.
Steve!
Hey!
Where them girls at, girls at?
Cause you know, I didn't come to work out. I came to work out, you know what I'm saying?
You came to the right place.
Ass, 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 ass. Stop.
Is that girl in the pink?
Yeah.
Why don't you go talk to her for me? Introduce her to me, make me look good, and then send her my way.
I got you.
Thanks, man.
No problem.
Yeah.
What's up, girl?
Hi.
You see that dude over there?
Yeah.
I don't personally know him, but word on the street is he benches like 350.
That guy? No way.
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out.
You guys are pathetic.
Alright, look man, she ain't buying it. However, if you lose those shiny ass pants, you can pull any girl in here.
Really?
Promise you.
Alright, hold this.
Small as
Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh than a motherfucker.
Alright, I'm going in. There you are. Where have you been?
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know you.
Girl, I've been all over the world looking for you.
That's a cute pickup line, but I'm not interested. Why are you smiling at me? 'Cause whenever you smile, I smile. Hey, hey, hey.
Why talk to my girlfriend, bro? What's up, man? Leg out. Nice. I'm not even mad at him. You know that, right? You're not supposed to talk without permission ever. What did we talk about? Come on, you're smarter than that. Come on.
Hey dude, you think those girls know we've been staring at them?
They know, they know, they know. Yeah, they know.
Oh no, my mom is gonna kill me.
Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well.
Where you at? Where you at? Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh, it's money time.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with.
Woo! Oh yeah.
Come on, pick up the phone. Pick up.
Hello, hello, baby, you called, I can't hear a thing.
Josh, shut up.
Girl, you better calm yourself down. I just got to kill street.
Hey, I think we're at the right house. Are you coming out?
Yeah, I'll be out in a minute. Okay, bye.
I see my friends kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take?
Rebecca, get your ass in the car. Quit playing.
She's always doing this.
Taking forever.
Hey, guys.
Thank God you're here. All right, look. Now that we all here, I got some good shit, and I've been meaning to smoke with y'all. So
Drugs? No. I don't smoke drugs.
then you stop being a little bitch.
I freak out when I smoke, man.
We about to get stupid!
No, guys. No.
Sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah.
Man, what did I tell you?
So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees.
Yo, cop car, get down, get down.
Be cool.
Just be cool, man.
Be cool. Wait.
Jeremy, listen.
We found love in a hopeless place.
It was bound to fall apart. I'm sorry. You're just gonna have to move on.
I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you.
Kristen, I love you.
If you love me, then when's my birthday?
Come on, you know I know.
It's today. My birthday's today. You know what?
Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
Goodbye, Jeremy.
If you walk away, every day it'll rain, Can we get much higher? So high.
I think I'm having a heart attack. Yo, it's all in your head. Just chill. You good?
Rebecca, grab my chest.
Sterling, he's not joking.
Oh shit, I can hear it.
I'm freaking out. I shouldn't have smoked.
Don't even worry about it. We're gonna go to the bar, get you a couple drinks, even it out, and then maybe we can get a couple ladies, huh? Sound good?
Okay, yeah.
Steve, my man, what's up? Why does it gotta be so hard to get a girl? Steve, it really doesn't have to be that hard. All you gotta do is
Grab somebody sexy, tell them, hey, give me everything tonight.
it's not that easy. Oh, Steve, come on now. It truly is that easy. What about that girl over there?
She has a boyfriend.
Freddy Krueger doesn't date people. Come on.
Told you it was only a one-night stand.
From the start, baby, from the start, I'm only gonna break your heart.
And look at that, Steve. Now's your chance. You just gotta take these 2 shots over there, make her fall in love with you like I know you can, and you'll get laid.
Tonight.
All right,
Go do it.
I'm going.
You had a lot of crooks try to steal your heart. Never really had luck, couldn't never figure out how to love. How to love.
You got me a drink?
Yeah.
This one's for you and me.
Ooh.
You know what? I ordered food here like a half hour ago and I haven't gotten anything yet.
Don't worry, I got this. Excuse me? Hey, she didn't get her food yet.
What she order? Fish fillet.
Oh, here, it's right here. Sorry about that.
What do you say we get a taxi and go back to my place? Nice. Ooh, you have a cute butt.
You think so?
You should shake it for me.
I don't know. You probably can't handle that. I can shake a pretty mean butt.
Shake that.
I'm so turned on right now. You sure do got the moves.
I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger.
I don't want to sound like a slut or anything, but
I wanna go all the way.
Why are you stuttering so much?
I'm sorry, I stutter a lot when I get nervous.
It's okay. Because I want the same thing you want.
Oh, come here, girl, let's get it on. Yo.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Why are you calling me, man? You know I gotta get my beauty sleep and stay fresh, baby.
Dude, I just had the craziest dream ever.
Man, there is not a single dream out there that is worth wasting my sleep. So, what was it, dude?
I had sex with like 8 girls.
Damn! But what if it wasn't a dream? What if it was real life?
Had a dream, I was king. I woke up, still king.
I invited my friends over last night and we had a few too many drinks.
That's fine by me.
Hey. So. I like your beard.
Do you like when I touch it?
Baby, I like it. I like it.
Have a nice bite. I'll see you in class tomorrow, Ashley. I'd give that butt an A-, but I'm grading on a curve. No one's here when I'm this funny. Alright, Now students, for a little extra credit, can anyone tell me where I'm going on vacation next weekend?
Islands of Waikiki.
Yes, Becky, you are correct. Steve, would you stop sleeping in my class?
I'm wide awake.
No, you're not.
Well, don't blame me, Teach.
Why do you look so sad all the time?
You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness.
I'd be sad too if I came to school wearing my granddad's clothes.
I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible.
Stacy, here's your test score from last week.
Another D?
I give her that D, cause that's why I was born and raised in.
Okay.
Steve, do I have to ask twice?
Damn! Now whose Lamborghini is this?
I rented it for the day because it's a chick magnet like you would not believe.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
If we go into your car right now, I'll jerk you off.
Why you talking to my girl, dog?
I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk me.
Oh, this is your car. Yeah. I'll jerk. My girl will jerk you off any day you like. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
With a car like this, we gotta show it off.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
Whew! Man, it's hot out there. I'm burning up.
Man, I didn't know you had a receding hairline.
Yeah.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I'm probably gonna be bald soon.
Don't worry about it, cause we gonna get higher than your hairline.
You think it's okay to smoke drugs in a rental car?
Man, I wouldn't worry about it. What's the worst that could happen?
You're right.
Man, we're in big
Trouble.
Oh no. Oh no.
Bad boys, what you want, what you gonna do? When you shut the trunk, don't come for you.
What seems to be the problem, officer?
I smell the devil's lettuce, and you look a little nervous.
That's because I am nervous.
You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone.
Speaking of stone, you look stoned.
That's just my face, sir. All right, well, you two sit tight. I'll be right back.
If I go back to jail,
I think I'd have a heart attack.
I'm not sure what's gonna happen. All I know is I spent way too much money on this car to let it go to waste. Oh shit! Stop the car! Stop the car! I just wanted to buy some pot. How am I supposed to act above the law if I can't get a little high?
Hey, sexy lady.
Is that your math teacher checking me out?
Don't worry about him.
Lisa, that's like your 5th taco. You're gonna get fat.
I don't care. I love it. I don't care.
You see the rack on that girl?
yeah.
Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch.
Wow.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna holler at this honey right here. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey, you looking kinda cute. Hey, in that polka dot bikini, girl. Hey, this what I wanna do.
Nigga, you're not gonna do nothing with me. I don't know what your problem is. Ew.
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem.
Steve, why are girls always giving me problems?
If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
Sterling, sometimes it's best to let the girls come to you.
And how are you supposed to do that?
Lifeguard. just gotta save my life because I can't swim.
That's a bad idea, Steve.
My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes.
You guys, it makes me feel so good to know that I have friends like you to support me during this breakup.
Hey, we're always gonna be here to support you.
Take a drink, sweetie.
We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky.
Help! I need somebody. Help! Not just anybody. Help! Don't you worry, child.
The way you grab me, must wanna get nasty. Go ahead, get at me.
Wow, you're like the angel of the ocean.
Swimming in your world is something spiritual.
You weren't even that far in. Do you always go swimming with a boner?
Oh wow, would you look at that?
I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside me.
He's got a Lamborghini! I said a Lambo!
You have a Lamborghini?
Yeah, do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Get it, Steve! Oh, he getting it.
You weren't kidding. How do you afford a car like this?
Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDENT shit hustler.
So you're a hustler.
I'm a hustler, baby. I just want you to know.
Hey, I have one almost as big as this, if you want to give it a try.
What are you trying to say?
Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby. Here we